Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to today's video. I had a little technical issues this morning with my laptop, so I'm glad I was able to resolve it. So I'm here for my weekly outlook in the forex market for this week. All right, so I would not want to take too much of your time in this video, so let us go straight to market analysis and see what we should expect for this week from the forex market this week. All right, this is crude oil. It has been like this for a while now. It has broken this support level, and this is another level we need to watch out for on crude oil. And it's possible for the market to trade up to this level, but that would depend on this area. If this area is holding as a resistance, then we would have, if this area holds as a resistance, then we would have a sell down to this level. And if you look at it in another angle, we can have something that looks like this. That's from another angle anyway, but you can ignore that. You can ignore that anyway. So let's just see if this level holds as a resistance. If this level holds as a resistance, then we should have a sell down to this level on crude oil. So checking out, I'm moving on to gold. All right, this is what we have on gold. Let me adjust this up to the level. Okay, there we are. All right. Okay, let's see something. Okay, okay, okay. Mhm. Okay. All right. Let's just remove that. Let's figure another thing out there. I would love to see how this would play out on gold. That is a support level there. Yep. So let's see how gold responds to these levels that I am indicating here. Let's see how gold respond to these levels. So first of all, let's look at this area, this resistance and this support. If this resistance is broken, then we look out for this here. And we should also take note of that on gold. So moving on to pound NZD, let me remove this and this. Okay, this is what we have on pound NZD. We could have something that looks like this, something that looks like this, and like this. So let's see how this play out on pound NZD. It's likely we have a continuation in the sell to this level, but let's see if we can find anything on the 1 hour chart. We can find anything on the 1 hour chart that could help our analysis. Nothing is looking interesting apart from this. So if this level holds as a resistance here, we could have a good opportunity to sell pound NZD. However, let's keep an open mind, see how the market will play out on pound NZD. So we'll just keep checking that. Moving on to pound AUD, I'll be interested in selling pound AUD. Yeah, if that level holds as a resistance. This level holds as a resistance. This is straightforward. If this level holds as a resistance, I'll be interested in selling. I'm interested in selling. If that level holds as a resistance, I'll be interested in selling. So that's for pound AUD. For pound USD, it's almost the same thing. If this level holds as a resistance, it will be interesting to sell. It will be interesting to sell. But today is Monday, don't forget. A lot of things might be moving in the direction for the Trump. So, but let's see how if you're going to be trading, you have to be careful with your trade, actually this. So this is pound and pound USD. So if level holds, we could have a push down, and if that does not hold, we might have a push up. So moving on, pound JPY. All right, pound JPY. It's also all pound pairs are approaching a critical region. You can see this is also approaching this level here. So I'll just wait and see how this will play out on pound JPY, and then we'll use that to make our decision on what we're going to do on pound JPY. Yeah, so let's move on to CAD JPY. Right, CAD JPY, how this is going to play out. I would love to see what happens within this channel here. Within this channel here, I would love to see what happens within this channel here. So moving on, Euro JPY as well. It's around a critical region. So if this level holds as a support, we might have a push up. However, if price is able to push the price down, then we would have a sell on Euro JPY. So let's see how this is also going to play out on Euro JPY. CHF JPY2, of course, this is the channel support that has come to the channel support here. So it's a possibility for the market to go back up or to break below. So basically, I'm expecting a sell. I'm expecting a sell actually, but let's see what's going to happen there. You can see that resistance level there. I see this resistance level here. So basically, let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. We would use that to make our decision in the market. All right. So Euro USD, we are looking at a potential sell on Euro USD. Yeah, a potential sell on Euro USD. So let's see. Let me check something here. Okay. All right. So we can see we are having a potential sell around here. What I checked was Fibonacci level. I was trying to see if a sell opportunity is actually possible on this particular pair, and it looks possible. So let's see what's going to happen. If price continues to push down, then we would find a good place to enter. This is a resistance level which is also holding as a support there. So this is resistance here, support here. So if it breaks below this region, we could have a push down. Yeah, we could have a push down. And this area is looking like a confluence here. This area is looking like a confluence here. So let's see how that play out on Euro USD. So USD CHF also, if this area breaks, if it breaks above this area, so I'll be watching this area on USD CHF. If it breaks above this area, we are having a buy. So you can see Euro USD and USD like I always say, they are negative correlated. If Euro USD is selling, USD CHF is buying. And we have seen that play out over and over on the chart. So USD card also, we are looking at a potential buy around there. So let's see if this level holds as a support. So if this level holds as a support, we could have this play out on USD card. So let's see what happens there on USD card. And I think there's something else on USD card that we should also identify. Okay. Okay. Let's remove that. Let's see how this will play out on USD card. On NZD card, this is what we have. Price has gone above that, and most likely would have a retest. But before we could have the retest, it's possible for price to test this level. Possible for price to test this level. before we have a retest. So let's see how price reacts to this level on NZD card. Yeah, so AUD USD is looking nice. Let's check the 1 hour chart. For this, we have something like this. Okay, and mm, okay, let's remove that. All right, so this is what we have on 1 hour chart for AUD USD. Let's check the 1 hour again. All right, let's go back. Okay, so let's see how this level plays out on AUD USD, and we'll use that to make a decision for the market. USD JPY, we can have this right here. So it looks like that's what we are having there on USD JPY. So let's see how this is going to play out. Let's see how this is going to play out. It's possible for the price to come as high at this level. So if you check it on 1 hour, you'd see it clearly. So this is the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour chart. This is what we have. This is what we have on the 1 hour chart. So you can see we should expect that on USD JPY card. Your card has broken above this resistance again, and we have price still dancing around here. So let's see how this will play out on seems as a possibility. That. Let's see how this is going to play out on Euro card. This is the confluence here. So let's see how price is going to respond to that. Pound CHF broke above, could not break below. That's a better way to put it. Could not break below here, so it's going back up. So it's possible price gets to this extent on pound CHF, which has been ranging for a while now. It started ranging in September, October, and it's still ranging till the ending of October. So basically, it used the whole of October to range. And finally, let's look at Euro AUD. If price is unable to break below Euro AUD, yeah, I'll just on Euro AUD. But if that is not what we have, then I'll just sit back and relax and see how the market goes. Today is just Monday, and there are so many opportunities for us this week. And I think this is the election week in the US, so a lot of things are likely to happen this week in the market. So let's see how it goes, and watch out for my Wednesday video on how we are going to be giving updates and what we should expect for the rest of the week. All right, so this is the final week in October. I remember our goal for October was 1,000 pips, and so far we have done 573 pips. So we have about 437 pips to go. We have about 427, if I'm correct, 427 pips to go. And that is possible this week. We can achieve that this week. So let's watch out, let's stay calm, and let's trade carefully. I celebrate you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.